In the US, every year, on average, 37 children pass away and many more sustain severe injuries caused by heat stroke in vehicles. Unfortunately, this phenomenon is not unique to the US and happens in other countries around the world, especially in hot climate areas. More than half of those incidents happen when loving parents unknowingly leave their children in a vehicle. The initial psychological reaction is to deny that this can happen to you and to condemn those parents. However, such tragic incidents can happen to anyone in a lapse of memory due to a distraction or a change in routine. True, the chance of such an event happening is very slim. However, if it does happen, the outcome is incredibly tragic. There are various methods and devices to help prevent such incidents. Some methods, such as stickers, signs, and various reminders, might become ineffective and annoying with time. Others, such as putting your shoe in the back seat, wearing a sign on your neck, or pulling a cable from back to front, are too much of a hassle to do regularly. The right type of a device would only be a backup that doesn't require any operation and only alerts you when a mistake has happened, rather than buzz you every time before you're about to do the right thing anyway. Such devices, which have sensors in the seat and alert you when you have left the area, are relatively expensive. The price can reach hundreds of dollars, not including installation. With many brands, there are also monthly fees. Governments are thinking about introducing regulation in this field, but often don't specify how the technology should function, inadvertently supporting annoying and ineffective reminders, which are easier to implement by the industry. To make matters worse, it's likely that regulation will only be relevant for new cars, leaving out undeserved regulations with literally millions of used cars and used car seats in circulation. This is where Fochica comes in. Fochica is an open source, open hardware system that alerts parents if a child is left in a car. Created by a father of two lovely daughters who didn't find a solution he was satisfied with on the market. Fochica is an alert, not a reminder. It will sound an alert on your phone when you have left the car and the child seat is occupied. Fochica will not remind you to check the back seat when you turn the engine off or when you step out of the car. The Fochica system doesn't require you to put some electronic token on your child, turn on the device each time before going for a drive, or disarm the device when you reach the destination. Fochica is inexpensive. The design is based on common off-the-shelf modules and components such as Arduino development boards, dashcam power supply units, basic electronic components, aluminum foil, etc. The system uses a smartphone that the user already has in his possession for communication and UI. Because all components and materials are already available at scale, the cost of the parts is low, even for one unit, and is around $10. Being an open source and open design system, Fochica can be extended and modded in various ways. For example, a user can make a device with a cellular module to send SMS or make calls in case of an emergency. The Fochica system is comprised of a Fochica device and a Fochica app. The device is an embedded device composed of a microcontroller, a Bluetooth Low Energy module, and sensors. The firmware of the device is written in C++ using the Arduino framework. The software can work with various sensors and any number of seats to monitor the state of the seats. Right now, the Fochica app exists for the Android platform only, but an iOS app is in the works. As you can see, the state of the device is reflected in real time in the app. The device advertises its presence over Bluetooth Low Energy. Once in range, the phone connects to the device and can receive updates about the state of the seats. When the phone disconnects from the device, it checks the last known state of the seats and alerts the parent if any seat is suspected of being occupied. We have plans to simplify the design further and offer the device for sale as a kit and as a complete product. Please follow the project and spread the word. Perhaps one of your friends with kids will find it useful. You can find more information at our wiki and at the fochica.com website. Thanks for your time helping spread awareness of child vehicular heat stroke trauma and how to prevent it.